Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a turkey Milanese. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is wash and dry all of the produce. So in our case, that would be the potatoes, the green beans, and you don't have to wash the meat, but I usually do. Okay, so now that you've washed everything, you're going to grab the potatoes, peel and cut them into pieces. Then you're gonna grab a pot, put the potatoes in, and then add water and make sure it covers the potatoes at least 1 or 2 inches. Also add 2 tablespoons of salt. Now you're gonna put it on the stove and you're gonna put it at high heat. Now when it starts to boil, you can bring the heat down to medium, and then you're gonna wait about 10 to 12 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. So while the potatoes are boiling, what you're gonna do is trim the green beans, just in half, like this. Now in a shallow dish, you're going to combine the Parmesan, panko, and Italian seasoning. So now what you're gonna do is cover each piece of turkey all over with mayonnaise. To get each piece of turkey and press it into the mixture on both sides. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is heat a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat. So now that everything's hot, I'm gonna start putting in the turkey. And I'm going to keep the heat to medium. I'm also going to heat this small pan to add the green beans. Once they're golden on one side, flip them to the other. So now we're gonna make the gravy. So in a bowl, put together the cornstarch, the demi-glace, mustard, soy sauce, and 1 cup of water. So at first it's gonna seem like it's a little stuck on the bottom, but just mix it well and don't forget to add the water. And keep mixing it until it's very liquidy, as you can see now. Okay guys, you have to add a little bit of pesto to the green beans and uncover them. If you keep them covered, then they're gonna get cooked more and they're gonna get dry and it won't taste good. Add the cornstarch mixture to a warm pan and keep stirring. As you keep stirring, it will turn into gravy, as you can see. Now for the mashed potatoes, all you need now is a little bit of butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you can season with salt and pepper, however you like it. So now all that's left is to plate your dish. So thinly slice the turkey and then divide the mashed potatoes, the green beans, and the turkey between plates and drizzle over the gravy, as you can see in the picture. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below any tips, any suggestions that you may have, or just whatever you want to see in my next YouTube video. Have a great day.